What's up, H-Tubers? Welcome back to the channel, and we hope you're keeping well. Today we're going to be doing a first impressions on some new tech that Huawei's just released. So we're looking at the Watch Fit and the GT2 Pro. So we're going to be giving our initial thoughts, what the new features are, and do we think that they're worth it? And then we're going to be following this video up with a quick review. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so kicking off with the Watch Fit, this is a new product line from Huawei in that it's not a typical smart band, but it's also not a full-fledged smart watch. So the question is, with this new aspect ratio of the display, will the UI that they already use play nicely, and have they optimized it correctly for this watch? Also, are there any other benefits in terms of, does it feel lighter on your wrist? Is it more ergonomic? Huawei is also boasting 12 fitness courses which come in the way of an animated workout guidance, so you can watch it as you're doing the workout, whether it be a leg workout, ab workout, or even some stretches. So let's see in practice, how well does that actually work, and do you have to be looking at your wrist while you're doing it? Is this off-putting? Similarly, it also has a smart companion when you're running, so you can set an average pace and see how you're trending along with that to kind of keep you motivated and going. Again, will this be distracting on your wrist, or will it actually work quite well in practice? Now, this thing is no slouch when it comes to sensors. It has a GPS sensor, all-day heart tracking, and it can look after your stress and your sleep patterns. With that, it's also backed with a 10-day battery life, which is quite impressive in itself, but you also can charge this thing in 5 minutes to give you a full day's use. So with a weight of only 21 grams, is this the perfect balance between a smart band and a full-blown smart watch? And is there any weakness?
Moving on to the Huawei Gt2 Pro. First, looking at the design, we're talking about a 1.39 AMOLED display, sapphire glass, stunning ceramic back, and a titanium body. But does it strike the perfect balance of the double Ds, durability and design? So we're all fully aware that the GT series typically houses a lot of sensors. We're talking about 24/7 heart rate monitoring, sleep, stress tracking, and recently with the GT2 series, we were looking at the SpO2 reading as well. But what do these all actually do? Do you understand it? And do they actually help? Just like the Huawei GT2, the GT2 Pro also offers a fantastic 2-week battery life, which is pretty impressive. But what this now offers that previous generations haven't is wireless charging. But the real question is here, do you actually need wireless charging when it's already got 2 weeks battery life? And if so, how often would you actually use it, if at all? When it comes to workout modes on any of the GT range, including the Watch Fit that Dee's just gone over, there's a huge amount of offerings. However, with the GT2 Pro, Huawei have just introduced some very interesting specific workout modes like golf mode, advanced skiing mode, also back route mode. So how are these any different from the other 100 different workout modes, and what are the advantages they actually offer?
So guys, you can see that these new watches have added some cool features on top of their existing features with things like, your step count and your notifications that are just commonplace in the smartwatch industry. But has the Watch Fit carved itself out in its own category?
And does the GT2 Pro warrant the extra £100 versus the GT2 when it first launched? Come back, subscribe, and check out the next episodes.